Get into each one of the individual features for CampaignCore. I'm going to give you a rundown of what you're going to see here on the dashboard, as well as a high-level overview of each one of the things that we see in the left-hand side within our menu. So to the right, we just see some basic information: total number of contacts, high score leads, active campaigns, email open rates. Really those really large values that help determine if your content's engaging and folks are interacting. We've got contact growth, campaign performance reporting. We point out some of our best platform features as well, show you recent contacts, and when you start an account, you actually become a contact within the system, as well as your top segments. Up here in the very right, I have my email address and then the ability to log out. On the left, I have some quick tips on how to do marketing effectively, as well as some resources for you if you're gonna develop an API or you wanna learn how to do things step by step. On the left-hand side, I have all of the different features or capabilities. Of course, we have contacts, right? So the ability to see all my contacts, including add a new contact, delete a contact. We'll walk through that later. We have our campaigns. We have segments. We have the ability to create templates, one of the coolest features, I think. We also have the ability to build new automations. We've got reporting built into this. And this may take a second for it to load, but we've got reporting as well. We also have the ability for you to generate API keys. So if you're working with a developer or you're building forms and you want to be able to collect information, we've got the ability to generate API keys. We've got the ability to generate webhooks, which can kick off automations in other systems, think like Zapier or N8N. We've got your company settings. So these are all the different settings that are needed for the system to work. We've got billing. Billing just shows you what plan you're on. So this is the trial plan. So it's going to show us the number of active automations, number of active campaigns, and the total number of contacts. We've got different plans with different tiers as well. We've got training center. So as I mentioned, we've got tons of robust training materials. We've got our support center where you can actually generate tickets directly to our support team within the application. There's no other system or need to do emails. We've got a whole system built into it. It's pretty cool. And finally, if you click the version number, shows you our product roadmap. So we like to be visible. So these are the things that we're working on to make the platform better, as well as release history notes of all of the different things that we have built. So if you need to get back to the dashboard or you want to get back to the main page, you just go ahead and hit the dashboard link here in your left-hand menu. It takes you back to the